In this episode, we will see how an Oponeo distribution center operates. Road safety starts with the tires. A dozen or so years ago, you still had to personally get them at a store and transport them to a workshop on your own. Today, the process is far easier. We can now order tires online and immediately select which workshop to install them at. In this episode, we'll show you what the logistics of such a purchase looks like. We'll visit an Oponeo distribution center in Zelgoszcz, the biggest Polish tire online retailer. It all happens very fast and takes barely 24 hours, from making an order through delivery to pick up at one of 1,300 partner workshops, where you can book the tire change. Let's see how the process works for ourselves. The core of the company is a massive warehouse with an area of 105,000 square meters, which can store up to 2.5 million tires. It's constructed like a bulkhead system on a ship. Sections with walls that close automatically provide the highest level of fire safety. The next stages of the process take place in separate parts of the warehouse. First, the tires are unloaded from the semi-trailers. The tires are placed into special stack racks where they are sorted and organized by stock keeping unit, or SKU. This way they can be easily rotated and directed where they're needed. The stack racks are then transported to the storage zone. Once a customer order is received by the Warehouse Management System, or WMS, the right tires are picked by an operator using a handheld scanner and their barcodes for identification. Afterwards, they are transferred to the issue zone. Rims are transported in a similar manner, but since they arrive in boxes, they can be stored higher in racks. An employee uses a scanner to verify the accuracy of the box's label, seals the box with tape, and moves it to the shipping zone. Let's get back to tires, though. We can see how they were transported to the fully automated issue line. First, the tires are laid out on a conveyor belt. The barcode on a tire is read with a scanner. Based on this, the system generates packing lists, which are then printed and subsequently affixed. Next, the tires are transported to an automatic sorter, which directs them to specific delivery vehicles. On average, it takes roughly 40 minutes to fully load a semi-trailer. When it comes to warehouse process automation, Oponeo is one of the top players in Europe. At peak season, the center processes as many as 100,000 tires a day, the equivalent of 100 lorries. That's a threefold increase in the last 5 years. Oponeo delivers tires not only in the Polish market, but also to 12 European markets, to Hungary, the Czech Republic, Austria, Slovakia, Germany, the Netherlands, Belgium, France, Spain, Italy, Ireland, and the United Kingdom.